All right, going over the Insignia line standards. Standard, we've got the manifolded drain lines. Each drain line is connected with a union. Union can be dropped out. The panels that are here can be removed so that you have full access from either side to the hot food wells underneath for maintenance. It's single point connection for the water for the faucet that's on top of the counter. It's full angle iron frame construction. Conduit for all the electrical. So there's minimal amount of flex. Very clean inside the body. And now you can see the food guards, where we've got single food guard going down through the top. It's bolted below and welded below the top. Mirror finish on the posts. All lights and heat lamps are put into a shroud. This is the hot frost. Hot frost is sized specifically for 18 by 26 sheet trays. Columns on the ends for support, and each level can be either hot from above and with the flip of a switch can be frost from below. This tier could be frost, this tier can be running hot all at the same time, and then it's reversible. We can make these in single sheet tray widths, we can make them in double sheet tray widths or triple without adding any other structure except the columns on the ends to support the full length. Highlighted edges are standard. Corian tray slides, Corian's done in-house. The laminate work is done in-house. All the food guards are ours. The food guards, this is our adjustable guard. The post goes through the top, again here, welded at the top and bolted down below. All the doors are fabricated in such a way that the handle is hemmed underneath the top here and formed into the door, fully welded. It's lined so that there's no oil canning, and magnets are placed inside the door so that it just latches. There's no need for a ball catch. All switches and controls all have a custom label placed on them. All tops are hemmed edges so that there's no sharp edges. Load center, door made in the same fashion, handle formed into the door itself. Magnetic catch. All load centers are in their own concealed compartment. Everything comes fully labeled as to what each breaker is for, and fully wired. There's 3 places for the electrician to bring his power into, and all the rest of the counter will work, factory checked, and all pre-wired. Inside the body, you'll see the conduit that runs the length. This is the power supply for the counters. This is all there is. The only flexible lines that you'll see are just going to individual units in the counter. But the main power goes through it. You can see inside the body here, you'll see angle iron structure supporting the counter. Everywhere an inclusion is that requires extra support, angle iron is run underneath the top laterally to support it. All controls are custom labeled, designed based on the configuration of the counter. They are all recessed. There's 4 screws, one here, 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 and here. Remove the screws, open the panel, and all switches and the wiring is visible for maintenance. This example of the switches controls here, and the same here. Drain valves, instead of just being a globe valve, it's a fully enclosed housing with a heavy-duty ball valve and label. And then underneath, you'll see the undershelf underneath the hot feed wells is fully enclosed. This back panel is removable, and underneath the overshelf, over the shelf, the panels are removable. Water is available.